Hey, I'm here with Chird, who's basically organised everything at the MCT Summit now, 3 in a row?
3 in a row. Third labour of love.
And how's it been going?
Yeah, it's been a fantastic event.
Yeah?
Yeah, really happy with the outcome.
So lots of delegates. How many numbers have we had?
230 delegates, 40 countries. I think that's the best thing.
Wow.
Getting 40.
And a lot of content as well, huh?
Yeah, 64 hours.
Wow, 64 hours, okay. And you, a Dutch national as well?
Yes.
And you're now living in Seattle. Tell us about that.
Yeah, moved this year to Seattle with the family. The boys now speak better English than I do.
Excellent.
And yeah, we're loving it. Yeah.
Cool. And where do you go from here?
My wife says I'm not allowed to change anything in my life or our lives after this for at least 2 years. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of more summits?
Oh yeah, we're going on a world tour. So after next week it's Redmond, cool. And after that it's a 30-hour trip to India. Ooh. That we all look forward to.
Okay. I hope you go on business class.
No. Hanging onto the wheels. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any hints on next year? Locations? Anything that's come up?
Next year, I think that's for the evaluation forms. So fill in your evaluation forms. Tell us where you want us to go.
Cool. Thank you very much, Jim.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Thanks
it.
for
Yeah.
Great video, and check out the security sessions.
Yeah. Thanks. So here we are in the speaker lounge, and a really important guy here. This is Bill Chapman. Tell us all about yourself, Bill.
Well, as you say, Andy, my name's Bill Chapman. I'm with the Microsoft Certified Trainer Program. I work on trainer readiness, and pretty much this is all my fault. I went out and I had to find the best people I could, and I was stuck with people like Andy. So we're trying to put on the best summit we can. We're having a great time with this, seeing lots of amazing speakers do tons of great content. And I don't think I could be any more excited or happy right now than I possibly am. Of course, unless I could get about 15 hours of sleep and have my luggage arrive on time.
I know the feeling. Thanks very much. Awesome.
Andy, get this on tape.
Cheers. So we're back in Prague. This is Ken Rosen from Microsoft. Hi, Ken. Tell us who you are and what you do.
Well, my name is Ken. I work for Microsoft Learning. I manage our community and evangelism team. So my team has responsibility for the MCT program and the MCP program, and then the community outreach activities we do with MVPs and user groups and other groups.
Okay, so cool. So this is your third summit here?
This is our third summit, yeah.
And you're, where are you going after this? You've got three different locations, is that right?
We're back home. We're going to Redmond. We've got one coming up in a couple of weeks, and then we're going down to Hyderabad in India for our Asia Pacific work.
Excellent, excellent. I hate you. Okay.
Looking forward.
Have a great week. Okay. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thanks, Andy.
I'm here with Matthew Roach from Microsoft, an ex-MVP gone to the dark side. Hey Matt, what are you here for? And tell us who you are and what you do now at Microsoft.
Well, I am a quality architect with Microsoft Learning. It is my neck, the one neck to choke when it comes to courseware quality. So I've basically been tasked with improving the quality of the courseware that Microsoft is delivering to the CPLS and MCT channels. So I am working with a whole bunch of people at MSL. I'm relatively new, so part of what I'm doing is figuring out who does what, what's going right, what's going wrong, making suggestions to improve things, trying to bring the voice of the MCT community inside of MSL, as well as trying to make the procedural and organizational and detail changes to make a difference to the courseware we're all using.
Hi, I'm here with Stephen Rose from Microsoft. We're at the MCT Summit 2009. Stephen, do you want to give us a rundown on who you are and what you're doing?
Sure. Yeah. I am the Senior Community Manager with TechNet Springboard.
Right.
We basically provide support for people with client OSs, so Vista, Windows 7, whether it's forums, tools, blogs, anything you're looking for to help you to pilot and manage and adopt operating systems. That's what we do. We put it all together in one place.
And you're doing some pretty cool stuff here on Windows 7, I believe.
Windows 7. Got a whole week of Windows 7 stuff, so we're very, very excited.
Some cool stuff coming.
Some cool stuff coming.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
You have to talk to the CEO.
Okay, so Amber is with Microsoft Learning, so tell us who you are. And
I'm in the operations team. I'm actually responsible for worldwide operations for the MCT and the MCP program.
Okay, so you keep it all running.
Keep it all running, and when Sheard has another great idea like this TechNet benefit, it's my responsibility to make sure that it works right and it gets in the hands of our community.
Cool, and thanks for that, by the way.
You're welcome.
Great, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here with, this is Ron Beckler, a very famous Microsoft speaker. Ronald is a Dutch national, but he's not there very often. I think you do a lot of travelling.
Yes, I do.
And what are you here for, and what are you doing here?
Here I'm doing a presentation on Hyper-V Friday, notes from the field with Hyper-V. Basically my tips and tricks from using Hyper-V for a year and a half.
Okay, and you're doing lots of travelling at the moment?
Yes, still. This is my first trip for this year, but there's lots of travelling planned for 2009.
Fantastic.
Mostly training and virtualization related.
Fantastic. Hey, well, great luck with your session.
Okay,
and,
thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Okay, excellent. Thanks.
Hey, I'm Andrea Fuchs, and I'm the project manager of the event management organization here for the MCT Summit 2009.
Okay, this is Anders, and he's a very famous MCT, and we're here in Prague. Anders, tell everybody who you are and what you do.
Okay, I'm mainly an evangelist, so I'm doing a lot of partner stuff. I do infrastructure optimization training, pre-sales, sales.
Where are you from? Where is it you're from?
Oh, I'm half Italian, half Swedish. I live in Belgium, and I'm married with a Peruvian.
Now, there's a complicated guy. Okay.
No, I know someone else. I know a guy that is from Nigeria that married a Filipino that lives in Belgium, works for an American company, and the wife is practically between Belgium and Russia. So we're just
okay, cool.
Disaster.
And what are you here for this week? What are you looking forward to see?
Well, your session actually.
My session?
Because I saw that there are 2 time slots, so I thought it's bigger and perhaps we go more deep. And
we will.
But I don't give you my passport.
You're a wise
Which
man.
I don't have, so.
Okay, thank you very much.
Nor my
have a great
electronic
week.
ID, which I definitely have.
Okay. Have a great week.
You too.
Cheers.
No.
Thank you.
I'm David Alfassi, and I'm an Exchange trainer, mainly consulting, all that fun stuff with Exchange. And this year at the MCT Summit, I'm presenting on Exchange next version. And that's pretty much it for this year.
So, who are you and why are you here?
So I'm Chris Givens, and I'm here to help all of our other trainers learn how to use the courseware library, how to publish their own materials and make lots of money in 2009.